Okay, good morning, students. Welcome all of you in seventh lecture of chapter number third, linear equation in two variables. So already we discussed definition of linear equation two variable, then substitution method, elimination method, some question based upon the word columns. Now three part left of this second question, third, fourth, fifth. Let us solve all three part one by one. So third part, this is the type of number, two-digit number. So the whatever the question may be of two digit, these four lines are common. Whatever the question may be, before reading the question, we have to write these four lines. Let unit digit x, 10 digit y. When you write the number of two digit, then you will multiply 10 digit by 10 and you will add the unit digit. Then reverse number, you replace y by x, x by y. These four lines you have to write before study the question or read the question of two digit number. Again, unit digit x, 10 digit y, then number 10y plus x, reverse number y replaced by x, x replaced by y. Now according to question, now we will read the question. Sum of digit of two digit number is 9. Sum of digit is 9. X and y are digit. This is number, this is reverse number. So x plus y will be 9. This is equation number first. Then 9 times this number, this is the number, we will multiply this number by 9, then is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digit. Multiply reverse number by 2. Again we have to read the question. That sum of digit is 9 means x plus y is 9. This is equation number first. Then 9 times this number, so 9 multiplied by 10y plus x will be equal to twice the number obtained by reversing digit, means 2 times 10x plus 1. Now we will solve this. This is 90y 9x, then 20x 2y. We will shift x and y on left hand side, on right hand side here we will remain with only 0. So 9x minus 20x, this is minus 11x, 90y minus 2y, this is 88y. Now here where coefficient of x is, leave the sign. Coefficient of x is 11 if we forget the sign. So we will multiply this equation by 11. Here sign is plus, here sign is minus. So we will write here sign of plus. Before this always we write here sign of minus because sign of these two are same. Here sign is different, so we will write it here plus. So 11x, then 11y, then 99. This equation as it is, plus means sign of this equation will not change. So this value cancel out. 11 plus 80 is 99y, 99 plus 0. This is 99. 99 will divide on this side, so value of y is 1. So we will put value of y here in this original equation. We will forget the 11. Then x as it is, in place of y we will write 1. Then on this side 1 will subtract. So x is 8. So find the number. If we here study, then here we want to find the number. So number, this is the number 10y plus x. So y we will put 1 and x we will put 8. So answer is here 18. So whatever the type of question may be of two digit number, these four lines are common, and then we will read the question and we will find out the equation, then we will solve. Now fourth part. So in fourth part, last line, find how many note of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. So let number of 50 rupee note x, number of 100 rupees note y according to question. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. Then she asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 note only. Meena got 25 note in note. She is having 25 note. Note are of either 50 or 100 rupees. So x plus y will be 25 because sum of note is 25. Then value is 2000. So 50 into x, 50x plus 100 into y, 100y value is 2000. Now we are having two equation. We will solve it by elimination method. Here is 50, so we multiply this equation by 50. So this first equation, here we write second equation. Here sign is same, so we will put here minus. But in third part, sign was different, so we here put here the plus sign. So when we are having minus sign, it means we will change the sign. By solve this, we get value of y 15. Now we will put this value of y 15 in first equation. We will get x 10. So we get y 15 x 10. So we will write answer in words. So last part of this question, Again, this type is of fixed charge. In 3.3 also we study the fixed charge question. So a lending library has a fixed charge for first 3 days. Now here difference is that for first 3 days charge is fixed. Then and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Sasi paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find fixed charge and charge for each extra day. So let fixed charge X, charge for each extra day Y. Now here word is extra. This charge is fixed for 3 days. So first student, that name is Sarita. She kept for 7 days this book. So first we will write fixed charge. In this fixed charge 3 days are covered. So total days are 7. It means 4 days left. So 4 we will multiply with Y. Here charges are 27. Again we will write here fixed charge. Now for second student is Sasi. She kept for 5 days. So 3 days cover here. 2 days left. So plus 2Y equal to 21. Now we will solve these two questions. Sign is same. Coefficient is also same. So here we will write sign minus and we will find Y. Then we will put Y in first equation. We will find X and then we will write answer is words. So we complete all question of exercise 3.3 and 3.4. So tomorrow we will start exercise 3.3 and third algebraic method we will study, that is cross multiplication method.